Alright, so this is my Murray Euro Series snowblower. Put a lot of work into this snowblower. Need a lot of paint, a lot of little tweaks and modifications. So this is my snowblower. It's like the one for me. I really like it. Right here I got the illuminated switch for the light. And yeah, painted the wheels, painted some stripes on there. Did an oil change in it Easter time. Had some water in the muffler. I started up yesterday. It's very cold right now, but it's not the first season start. But it's snowblower season already. Already sold a snowblower. I had 4 snowblowers. Now I'm down to 3. So, yep. And in case you're not know, I have this snowblower. I have an Arian snowblower, a big Arian snowblower, about the size of this, a lot older though. And I have a tiny little 2-stroke little thingy. It's tiny little, you know, things that are like that tall, and they are like doing like sidewalks and stuff. It's one of those. It's an old one. So yeah, I'm gonna start this thing up. Yep. I'm going to clean the carburetor on this. What it needs is carburetor cleaning, it needs a new friction disc, and it needs a new cable for this thing to make it move up and down. Because this one, compared to my MTD, this one's a lot nicer. This one's got the, if you hold down both of these at the same time, it locks in, so you only have to hold one down. It's got different speeds, and it's right here instead of down here in your crotch area. And it's got this right here. This handle's all the way up here. My MTD, it's like down here. It's a much bigger engine. It's 5 inches wider than my MTD. Well, the one that was my MTD. It's got much bigger tires. And yep. So I'm gonna crank it up. Crank her up. It's got bad gas, so it runs really crappy. So I put some stable in this though, I think. Maybe I didn't. I'm going to get some heat. I'm going to pour that in there. And I'll let it sit for a little while. Try starting it up again. I'm sure it has dirty carb. Probably. Runs like crap. Might just be low on gas. Probably check that. That thing's very loud in a confined space. Let's see. Yeah. Need a stick or something. Piece of copper pipe, that'll do. Oh, oh. Yeah, it's low on gas. Alright, so I'm not gonna bother with this right now. So yeah, that's all for now. Here's a cold start for you.